to make a cup of milk. Ingredients are scissors, spoon, cup, 1 sachet of milk, and hot water. The first step is cut the sachet of milk and then pour the milk into the cup. Turn on the stove. Boil the water. Hot water is ready. Pour the hot water in the cup. Stir it well. The milk is ready.